Samira was a university student in Tunis, Tunisia, studying international business. She knew that to excel in her field, fluency in English was essential. While her written English was strong, she struggled with speaking fluently and confidently. Determined to improve, Samira began searching for the best resources to help her achieve her goal. The discovery one evening, while browsing the internet, Samira stumbled upon a YouTube channel called English with Lucy. Intrigued by the high view counts and positive comments, she decided to give it a try. Lucy's clear explanations, engaging teaching style, and practical tips immediately resonated with her. Finding the best videos. Samira soon discovered other valuable channels that provided excellent English-speaking lessons, such as English Addict with Mr. Duncan BBC. Learning English Rachel's English Each channel offered unique strengths. Lucy's videos were conversational and practical. Mr. Duncan's were humorous and engaging. BBC Learning English offered structured lessons, and Rachel's videos focused on pronunciation and accent improvement. Establishing a learning routine, Samira created a daily routine to maximize her learning. Morning session. Watch a 20-minute video from English with Lucy, focusing on daily conversations and vocabulary. Afternoon practice. Use Rachel's English videos to practice pronunciation and mimic the sounds. Evening immersion. Watch a video from BBC Learning English on current events or cultural topics. Interactive learning. To make her learning more interactive, Samira participated in live sessions and webinars hosted by these channels. She also joined the community discussions in the comment sections, where learners from around the world shared tips and experiences. Joining online speaking groups. Samira realized the importance of real-life practice. She joined several online speaking groups recommended by the YouTube channels. Platforms like Tandem and HelloTalk allowed her to practice speaking with native English speakers and other learners. Overcoming initial challenges. At first, Samira felt nervous and self-conscious about speaking English with others. However, the supportive online community encouraged her to keep trying. She started with simple conversations, introducing herself and talking about her day. Samira. Hi, my name is Samira. I'm from Tunisia. How are you today? Partner. Hi, Samira. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? Samira. I'm good, thank you. I'm studying international business at university. Gradually, her confidence grew, and she began to participate in more complex discussions. First public speaking success. Samira's progress was put to the test when she was asked to give a presentation in English at a university seminar. Nervous but prepared, she used the techniques and phrases she had learned from the videos. Her presentation on the impact of globalization on local markets was a success. She spoke clearly, confidently, and answered questions fluently. Continuous improvement. Encouraged by her success, Samira continued her daily routine of watching and practicing with the best English-speaking videos. She also began watching English movies and TV shows without subtitles to improve her listening skills and comprehension. Achieving fluency. After several months of dedicated practice, Samira's English-speaking skills improved dramatically. She was able to engage in fluent conversations, participate in international discussions, and even think in English. Her newfound fluency opened up numerous opportunities, including a scholarship to study abroad and internships with multinational companies. Conclusion. Samira's journey to mastering English speaking skills through the best online videos is a powerful example of how effective and accessible online resources can be. By leveraging engaging video lessons, interactive practice, and consistent effort, she transformed her language abilities and achieved her dreams. Samira's story shows that with the right tools and dedication, anyone can achieve fluency in a new language, unlocking a world of possibilities.